What was the most rewarding part of this project, and why?
The most rewarding part of this project was the fact that I didn't have a real strong understanding of Node.js and Express before I started, nor did I have very much experience with running Python scripts for clustering. So there was a lot of learning involved, and it was really interesting to do it in this atmosphere.
What was the most valuable skill or experience that you got out of this project? Why?
I think the most valuable skill was understanding that there will always be scope change. Working with the sponsor, we spent the first half or the first term working on a website to upload data from targets to an InfluxDB. And then as that part of that website going to another page and doing the analysis on the other page. Well, at the term, he decided that he wanted to rescope the whole thing and break it up into multiple containers. And so it basically made us throw away our code from the first half, and being able to just disconnect from it and say, okay, we have to move on, and moving on was a really valuable skill.
If you had this project to do all over again, what would you do differently, and why?
If I had to do the project over again, I would probably spend more time up front learning the code base. Instead of trying to find little areas that I could pick into it, I would try to really envelop myself in the code base. This was a massive code base to start with, and it wasn't easy to understand. So I think if we moved on and began to look through the individual pieces of the code and how they function together, it would have made a huge difference.